Imagine your brain is like a smartphone. Every time you deal with something, managing bills, work responsibilities, family responsibilities, it's like opening another app. A few apps, there's no problem. The phone will work just fine. But if too many apps are open, the phone will start to drain, the battery will die, or the phone will start to heat up. Not because the phone is broken, but it's overloaded. That is what stress is. It is your mind and body's way of saying that too many apps are open, I need time to recharge and close a few apps. My name is Arushi Sabarwal. I'm a counseling psychologist at Anvaya Healthcare, and today we're talking about stress management. Stress is like an internal alarm system going off. Your heart beats faster, you breathe faster, your mind starts racing. All is okay in short term because it helps you cope and act. But when the alarm starts going off day after day, your mind and brain does not get a break. That's when stress stops being helpful and starts affecting your health, mood, focus, and sleep. Now, let's start talking about sources of stress. Some stressors are short term, immediate challenges that require a fast response. They are like emotional speed bumps. They spike your stress but settle down immediately. For example, getting stuck in traffic or a fight with your partner. These are known as acute stressors. Next comes chronic stressors. These are long term that weigh you down over time. For example, financial instability, caregiving for a loved one, or ongoing workload. It's like a leaky faucet, small drips that hamper your mental space over time. Stress can also be caused by physical surroundings. Your surroundings can signal your mind and brain that you are not safe or comfortable. For example, noise, pollution, an overcrowded environment. Now, daily hassles can also contribute to stress and irritation. Losing keys, for example, getting late, or waiting in long lines. These are like emotional paper cuts. It's okay if it happens once, but over time it can bring a problem. Sometimes the biggest stress does not come from the outside, but how we perceive ourselves or the world. Our own thoughts, beliefs, or actions can also lead to stressors. For example, perfectionism, fear of failure, or self doubt. These are known as internal stressors. Now, stress can have an effect on your physical, emotional, or social being. Talking about physical stress, it can lead to headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, or sleep problems. Emotionally, stress can lead to anxiety, irritation, or overthinking. Socially, you might start having trouble expressing yourself clearly, or you might start isolating yourself from your friends and family. Now, let's discuss four techniques that will help you manage the overwhelming effects of stress. The first technique is known as five finger breathing. Place your one hand like this, and with the index finger of your other hand, from the base of your thumb, start tracing your hand upwards. And as you go upwards, you breathe in. As you trace downwards, you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and breathe in and breathe out. Now, the second technique is holding a cold object in your hand. For example, I'm holding a ice in my hand. Wrap your fingers around the ice and feel the cold sensations of it in your hand. Now, how this will help is it will help you shift your focus from your anxious thoughts to the cold sensations and the physical sensations of your body. Now, the third technique is naming and describing an object. In your physical surroundings, pick up one object. For example, I'm noticing a plant over here. The white pot with black spots over it, along with the green trees above with the roots and how it's going up, the physical black lines of the pot. How this will help is it will bring you back to the present moment in where you're sitting and it will stop your anxiety. Now, the last technique is known as 5 4 3 2 1 technique. In this, you start noticing 5 things that you can see in your environment, 4 things that you can feel, 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. I hope this video helped in getting you a better understanding about stress, and do try these techniques to combat stress better. To manage stress efficiently, do contact us at Envire Healthcare. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Thank you.